Yeah, let's get started and share your screen. Thank you.
Okay. The lightweight system.
If it's possible, my friend, if it's possible, please change it to full screen share. Full screen share.
1 minute.
Press F5, F5, F5 key, F5 key. No, in your keyboard, F5. In the upper key, you can see F1, F2,
now,
F3,
okay.
F5. Press F5.
I press it.
استاذ روح على عرض الشرائح، واختار من البداية عرض الشرائح فوق عرض الشرائح، فوق عرض الشرائح. استاذ وين التصميم؟ الصفحة الرئيسية.
No. We lost your screen.
سلايد شو عرض الشرائح فوق صف المراجعة. اي
yeah, that's one. That's
من البداية. Yes, sorry. من البداية.
Okay.
Oh, that's very good.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Okay.
My topic is about lightweight steel farming system. Okay.
Okay. Go on. Please. Please hurry up. We don't have much time because we have two presentations. Another presentation.
No problem.
Yeah.
No problem.
Go on, please.
In common.
We lost your sound. My friend, I can't hear you.
Is complete.
Please set your microphone because I cannot hear you. Another, my friends, can you hear he? Another, my friends, my class.
Dr. Khan, the student program show his seminar now until he back. Mr.
Just give 1 minute for him to reconnect for us. Just a minute.
All right, Doctor. Okay.
Give 1 or 2 minutes for him to reconnect us.
Sorry, Doctor, I lost the connection.
Yeah. I am hearing you now.
Continue. Okay. For this reason. نعم.
تفضل صديق.
For this reason, a prefabricated building show suitable behavior for a structure and service, since they are fabricated in factory and went through a quality control and manufacturing stage in accordance with the as built as calculated drawing. In this regard, light steel firming are having a great advantage over the other structure due to the benefit of high factory production, quality, and more simple, more reliable, much more considerate to the rapid connection system. Strengthening the structure is one of the most efficient methods to prevent unwanted happenings, as well as life and financial loss, which came out of the nature disasters such as earthquake and storms and so on. However, today, the importance of this matter must be considered more so before constructing a structure with a long-term vision. Strengthening can be embedded within the system of structure construction to eliminate the need for improvement or constructed structure in its future. Light steel farms can reduce the effect of lateral force earthquake through the concept of lightening structure. This method illustrates the fact that strengthening is not the first and the only solution for solving problem, but concept of lightening a structure can help up in strengthening to a great extent. These firms which are utilized in this system are composed of light galvanized plates. Light galvanized plates have other benefits besides aforesaid benefits, which are explained in the what following. In case of events, light steel farms can considerably reduce the effect of applied load. Besides, after
your slide stopped.
stop,
I can see the first your first yeah, that's the first slide. Yeah, that's your
continue.
first. Yeah,
Doctor, do you want?
Okay.
I should.
Besides, after event, such structure can be used as alternative for damaged structure. This structure can be eradicated within 2 to 3 days, and as a result, being aware of the technology of construction of them can solve many of the problems, including lack of time.
Okay.
The characteristic of structure implementation with the LSF system. Light steel farming structure are fabricated in the form of panel, and each panel is composed of the following member: vertical load bearing member, farm connecting member, roof bending member, lateral loading bearing member. Moreover, connection of these systems are in the form of bullets as well as CO2 wells in factory condition. Design of LSF structure. To appropriately design LSF structure, it is important to model the structure in 3 dimensions and with high accuracy. In this paper, the design is performed by using frame builder exclusive software for Gene's company, which is one of the most advanced software for designing of structure, having outstanding characteristic of professional design together with presenting executive detail for all sorts of building. Aforesaid software provide exclusive customer and beneficiaries with all required information, drawing and procedures to improve implementation operation for building, as well as suitable economic saving achieved by using light steel frame. After making 3D model of the intended building, appropriate frame would be assigned beside on the engineering principle and companies. Then drawing which are corresponding to the manufacturing and installation of panel would be prepared. Drawing are divided into 2 following groups. Drawing of wall, roof, and corresponding connection include size of structure member, thickness of plate, distance of member, location of load bearing and non-load bearing wall, the detail of connection and the consideration of regulation. 2. Drawing of roof and trusses if necessary, and relevant connection, which are include trusses, protection, drawing, cracks of roots, connection, and regulation application. Benefit of LSF system. This system has various benefits, and some of them are described separately here. From customer point of view, high safety against fire and earthquake, low maintenance costs, long lifetime, absence of crack available in joint surface.
But my friend, one of the most important of advantage of the system is
Yes.
increase the speed of construction.
Increase.
Yeah, it's very rapid construction.
Yes, increase the هذا.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, next.
Yeah. From investor point of view, high quality, high implementation speed, rapid investment return, being more economical compared to other common system, more added value compared to other methods, less steel consumption, less concrete consumption for foundation, and lower risk. And from engineering point of view, flexibility is in structure design and architecture, possibility of usage beside other systems, ease of installation and implementation of facilities, possibility of implementation on all season and various weather windows, higher safety and discipline in the workshop, and less monitoring required. Predictable cost and time for the whole system, high implementation speed, ease of assembly and separation of waste, and low material loss. Least manufacturing error. From earthquake and
we can see
yes.
this figure, my friends. We can see in this figure there is a structure that constructed with the hot form structure. What the previous slide, please. Previous slide.
الصفحة قبلها
ايه بس انترنت.
Yeah. You can see here the main structure is the hot form structure. But the basic system is the lightweight cylinder. You can see over the external view is the lightweight cylinder.
Yes,
So
yes.
we can use this system for the combination hot form structure and cold form. Cold form structure we can use for the partition walls or the internal wall and the external wall. But without integration system is used for low-rise residential or building. So it's suitable for two-story or three-story building. But if we want to make a combination between the concrete structure with the lightweight structure, we can use this system for the interwall and external wall of the high-rise building, mid-rise building, and low-rise.
Thanks, Doctor.
Next slide.
From earthquake and lateral force point of view, less weight contribution due to lighter structure and use brand new material. Suitable behavior as result of steel deformability, standard mechanical connection, a bracket wall and roof, reliable connection to foundation.
بس الإيمج ماكو. ماكو.
Yes.
Go on, please.
Other benefits: resistance against weathering, high corrosion resistance, reduced usage of heavy lift cranes and heavy mechanicals due to light weight of panels, recyclability of the structure and other parts of the building, having a workshop without any waste, continuous factory manufacturing, providing suitable working condition with high safety factor, issuance of technical certificate at the end of the project.
Okay. Actually, the accuracy of the construction of this building is very high because the various elements of this structure manufactured in the factory with the high quality control, and you can use them in the workshop
Do you hear
with very high accuracy. Next slide, please.
Yes.
Next slide.
Various methods of investigation and study of light steel frame. In recent years, a great deal of research has been carried out about light steel frame structure globally. Most of these research activists are in the context of structural performance of various forms of thin-walled profiles or CIMICS evaluation of such structure. Different methods used for this purpose, and they can be subcategorized into the following group: experimental procedures and production of physical modules, a numerical analysis by means of finite element software. Despite of well documented results, due to need of production of and expedition was experimental procedure and less preferred. In this method, through preparation of the certain tests on various physical models, it is attempted to achieve similar results. In investigation of strength and weakness of LSF structural system, results of study show that weakness of LSF structure system during a strong earthquake is mainly concentrated around the connection of wall of the structure system. Some of these important connections are connection of vertical thin wall section and horizontal thin wall section, connection of wall to frame, and connection of pricing member to wall frame. In a traditional design method, as a result of ignoring such connection in CIMICS design of this type of structure system, they show some weakness during earthquake. To prevent such weakness in above structure showing, a preventive action can be taken into account. To prevent such weakness,
We lost again your sound. My friend, we lost your sound. I cannot hear from you. Next student, Dorgam Haydar. Dorgam Haydar, can you
السلام عليكم دكتور. Yes, دكتور.
if you are ready, please share your screen and start your presentation.
Yes, دكتور. Yes, دكتور.
sorry, Doctor, the mic is muted.
That's enough.
Thank you. Sorry, because the mic is muted.
I give you the score about 95. That's very good. 95. Thank you very much. Welcome, Haydar. Please start your presentation.
Okay, دكتور.
We are waiting for you.
Yes, Doctor. Okay, Doctor. Historical perspective on the
Your screen, please share it again.
share again.
I can't see it. Hold on a minute. It's just
Okay.
it's my time. Hold on a minute.
Okay.
Now I see your screen. Please
Okay, Doctor. Okay.
upload your PowerPoint. Okay. Change it to full screen.
Okay. I read, Doctor.
Change it to full screen. Yeah, that's
Historical. Yes, Doctor.
full screen.
استاذ ارغام F5 لو من عرض الشرائح وابدا حتى يظهر البوكس كامل.
عرض الشرائح. وين صار
يعني
عرض الشرائح؟
فوق اول لاين عرض الشرائح.
نعم.
اضغط عليه من البداية. لا من البداية اضغط من البداية. هاي الاختيار اول واحد.
من البداية؟
اي من البداية اي.
من البداية نعم. اوكي. Read Doctor. Historical perspective on the evolution of two-way slab design. Introduction. Numerous types of cast in place and precast concrete floor system are available to satisfy virtually any span and loading condition. Reinforced concrete allows a wide range of structural options and provides cost-effective a solution for a multitude of situations ranging from residential buildings with moderate live load and spans of about 25 foot to commercial buildings with heavier live loads and spans ranging from 14 foot to 15 foot and beyond shorter floor to floor height and inherent fire and vibration resistance are only a few of the many advantages that concrete floor system offer, resulting in significant reduction in both structural and non-structural costs. Research significates. This paper represents an overview of the different slab systems used in buildings, the economic impact of each type, and historical overview of the development of the different slab system and the analysis and design methods since the beginning of the 20th century. Okay, Victor?
Yeah, I'm hearing you. Go on, please.
Okay, Victor. Okay. Historical overview. Traditionally, reinforced concrete has been associated with a slab span ranging up to 20 foot. The customary span length in residential and industrial construction only occasionally in the past were longer spans framed in reinforced concrete. In recent decades,